In my personal journey of getting into the best shape of my life, I too struggled with consistency, eating disorders, and reducing my body fat percentage. Until I leaned into these two core principles that I'm about to share with you in this video. You see, I grew up in a beautiful twin island country, also known as Trinidad and Tobago, where the culture is rich, the community is beautiful, and it's just a beautiful place to live, honestly. But it always felt as though it was hard for me to think beyond the coastline, think beyond the beaches. And deep down inside, I knew that it had more for me in life. So I truly believe everything that you see today, I manifested. Core principle number 1, setting massive goals. Setting massive goals eliminates plan B and evades the distraction. Set a goal with specific parameters in order to achieve it. For example, my goal is to help 1,000 individuals better their lives, all while I have less than 10,000 followers on Instagram. Because that's the reality. However, I truly believe health coaching can change the world. Why have specific parameters, you may ask? You see, specific parameters helps us to improve the capacity and the quality of our thinking, narrowing down the routes in which we could take and simplifying the goal. I got this concept from a book called 10x is Easier Than 2x by Dan Sullivan. Setting massive goals is like a cheetah setting his sights on his prey in a herd of gazelles. You see, the cheetah can run down every gazelle in that prey because after all, he's the fastest mammal on planet Earth. However, the cheetah picks one gazelle and hunts him down until he has his meal. Principle number 2, be, do, have. You see, society and the school system has tricked us into thinking that having comes from the doing, when really and truly, the having only comes after you be. Meaning, you become, then you do, then you have. Think about it. In order to become, you must first be, and everything comes after. So key questions to ask yourself in order to step into the person you would like to be, to have the life you would like to have. Question number 1, how would I be when I achieve said goal? Would I be more confident? Would I be more generous? Would I be hanging around the same people? Or would I have a completely new circle? Question number 2, what are some of the traits, skills, and habits that I need to obtain in order to become that person? When you answer these 2 questions, I guarantee your whole life will open up and goals will become a lot more attainable. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm Coach Keegan, and let's level up.